guys, so I'm going to turn this into a little bit of a compressor if I can, and I'm going to use this because I bought this off the internet, and I think this is the flattest part I have here, so I'm going to have to put it there even though that's coming out there. All the others are a bit roundish, but so I'm going to drill a hole there, put down there, see what happens. So I've done this hole 7 point, but the thing is I don't want just that to fit in there. I want to go over this little kind of a ledge there, so when it comes up it fits flush against the bottom half. So it's about 10.1, so I've got this 10.4 I think. I'll just try that. So guys, it's a 10.4 and this fits nicely inside there. So that should be alright I think. This fits nicely in there. Yeah, it should be alright. Once you pull it in, it should be good. I have to get in the hand in now. Get that through there. So guys, I put a wire through here and just come out here somewhere. I'll put this through here like this. Yes, we got it through. Oh dear. At last got the thing on. Took ages to do that.
And finally, the cost of a traditional Christmas dinner for four will currently be just 1.3% more than last year. Kantar says sprouts, Christmas puddings and sparkling wine have all gone down in price on 12 months ago.
Hi everyone, so I'm back at the ranch, as it were. So what you know, I put this this in here so that I could pump air into it. So we're going to have a go now, see if it actually works. And I'm going to use this pump here, which I've got, it's a very old one, for tyres, and to see if I can pump with that into there. Now I have to connect it obviously to the house because it's not in the car. So I've got my power pack here, which I did a long time ago. I'm going to connect that up, put this on, and then we'll have a look at things. So this is the engine that gave me a bit of a problem last time when I tried to just do it by pumping this particular thing. So I'm going to try it on this engine, see if it works. Okay, so there's my setup here, and this is my setup down here. This is the compressor, and so on forth. Okay, let's have a look, guys. Well, I gotta say I'm pleased with. I gotta say I'm pleased with that, because last time it wouldn't even work just by pumping this. So the air thing does work. yes guys, I'm quite happy with this. It is working, but unfortunately it doesn't sound like it's more powerful to keep it running. What I think is happening is that we're losing more air than that particular compressor, which is a car tire thing, is pumping in the air. So I don't think I'm going to get a continuous thing by the looks of it. But let's have a go with this one. But with this one, I'm going to pump it up and then put the compressor on as well, so it does it quickly for us. Very pleased with that one, guys. Obviously I pumped it up as well first, and then I let the air keep coming in, so it did run a longer time than before when I just pumped it up. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. Obviously, like I said, it's not doing continuous because we're losing a lot of air. So the best thing I can do with this then is that probably to get a bigger compressor to pump in the air, and it will work continuously. But then I'm defeating all the things I'm trying to do. The only thing I'm concerned about at the moment is that I can test my engines at home to some degree to know that it is working. So let's pump this one. I'm quite happy with that, guys. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe. And I'm happy with this compressor, although it's not continuous running, but I think I'll leave it like that, so that pump does work, and this did run longer, so did the other engine run longer. Thank you very much for watching.